Ladies and gentlemen, the president of Bugatti Automobiles, Mr. Stefan Winkelmann.
Bonjour mesdames, messieurs, et bienvenue chez Bugatti. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, when I joined Bugatti at the beginning of this year, for the team and for myself, it was pretty clear immediately that we wanted to do something outstanding, something special. The Bugatti Chiron is a car which is known for the outstanding straight line performance in combination with the luxury comfort. But here we wanted to do something different. And therefore for me, the briefing to the team was very easy. I want to have a agile, nimble, handling-oriented car, a design which is completely different, but unmistakably a Bugatti. And therefore, the next thing we were looking into was the right name. And you know, the Veyron and the Chiron, they are names of race car drivers out of the 20s and 30s. And we wanted to continue with this idea. And so we found Albert Divo. He was a fighter pilot in World War I. And when in the 20s he started his career as a race car driver. And he was known to be very quick in tight corners. And actually he won twice on a Bugatti, the Targa Florio, which is a racetrack in southern Italy, in Sicily. And therefore for us the pick was very easy and the combination. So here it is, the Bugatti Divo. And for the unveiling, now we do the unveiling. For the unveiling, I call on stage Stefan Elroth, who is our Vice President for R&D, and Achim Anscheid, who is our Director of Design. Gentlemen, the Bugatti Divo. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bugatti Divo. This is the world premiere. It's very exciting also for me, I can tell. And now we'll talk a bit about the design with the performance, and then I will want to wrap it up. So for us, as I said, the design has to be unmistakably recognizable as a real Bugatti. So there are three key elements which are important for us, paramount. The first one is the big horseshoe here in the front. The second one is the center line, which is cutting the car in half. And then we have the signature line, which is this line. And these are the three key elements which are certifying a Bugatti in our view. Also, if you don't see the logo and the brand. And now, for us, performance is key. So form follows performance is one of the main drivers for our designers. So to get better cooling and more downforce, we increased a lot the air intakes. We have a big front spoiler, and we have an aqueduct on top of the car, and we also have a very big rear wing, which is 23% bigger than the one of the Chiron. And we have an outstanding, and this is you can't see right now, but you will see later on, an outstanding diffuser in the back. So this is enabling the car to have a better cooling and to increase the downforce by 198 pounds. Then we have stiffened the chassis, and we have more sporty dampers, and this is better for the handling behavior as well. We increased the camber of the wheels, and this is something which we did, and it's also looking very cool on the car. And a part of that, we decreased the weight, so the weight is lower by more than 77 pounds in comparison to the Chiron. And by putting all these things together, so a better downforce, a stiffer chassis, less weight, in combination with our outstanding and wonderful 8-liter capacity engine with 16 cylinder and 1500 horsepower, we have achieved an incredibly time on the handling parkour, which is quicker by 8 seconds than the Chiron. And ladies and gentlemen, we are going to build only 40 units of this wonderful car for 5 million euro net each. And guess what? They are all sold. So we are very proud and happy. And a lot of people, a lot of customers are here today. So welcome to them, because it is an honor for us to be here. So this said, the Bugatti Divo is also kicking off our celebrations of the 110th anniversary. We are celebrating next year with Bugatti. You know, Bugatti was founded back in '99. So we have here also the logo for the 110th anniversary. And we will have a lot of activities around the world next year. And we have two cars, which I don't want to forget. We have the Bugatti Chiron Sport, which we presented earlier this year at the Geneva Motor Show. And then we have a more lifestyle, luxury, comfort-oriented version of the Bugatti Chiron with another world news with the sky view. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much for being here. And I'm now asking my team to come on stage for the photo session. Thank you, and vive la marque. Thank you very much. Forza un po'. Dove sta? Thank you. This is the team.